Hello viewers, in this video I'll be continuing with exercise 6D, okay, of chapter 6, that is operation on algebraic expressions. Okay, operation on algebraic expressions. I'll be discussing in this video solutions of problem 13 and 15, okay, basically. So let's see what is the question in number 13. The question is find the continued product. That means whatever given in this question, we have to find out the continued product. Okay, the product may be of 3 terms, 4 terms. Let's see, factors. Let's see, number 1, we have to find out the product, continued product of these 3 factors, x plus 1 into x minus 1 into x square plus 1. You have already learned in the previous exercises of this chapter 6 how to find the product of 2 polynomials or algebraic expressions. I have already shown you, okay, in a manual way. Here also we can do in the same way, but since this exercise is based on identities, we'll try to do using the identities so that our calculation becomes simpler. Okay, so let's see, we'll try to look at the question so that we can use the identity. In that way we have to look. So let's see, x plus 1 into x minus 1 into x square plus 1. Try 2 factors at a time. Let me try these first 2 factors, x plus 1 into x minus 1. Does it not in the form of a plus b into a minus b, a plus b into a minus b? Okay, here a is x and b is 1. If it is, what is the right hand side? A square minus b square. So can I not write this x plus 1 into x minus 1 as x square minus b square as 1 square? Okay, so multiply it in one way. The third factor remains as it is. Now x square minus 1 means, can I not write x square minus 1, x square minus 1 square is x square minus 1, because 1 square is 1, we know. Okay, then look at this 2 factor again. We have to multiply this, x square minus 1 into x square plus 1. If you consider this as a and this as b, is it not again in the form of a minus b into a plus b? If it is, can we not write again in a square and minus b square form, where a is x square itself and b is only 1. So if it is a square minus b square, what it will be? A square minus b square, because a is already x square and from the formula we have another square. So do not do any mistake when you do this. The whole a is x square, so you have to write a, and formula square is square. Okay, so a square minus b is itself 1, so b formula square or identity square. Okay, so 1 square. So if it is a square minus b square, if you calculate, what you will get? X to the power 4 minus 1. Okay, so it is done. 3 factors are multiplied and found out the product of these 3. This is how we do. Okay, and you have to practice in this manner only, and you have to keep in remember this technique. Okay, how to multiply by using the identities. In a similar way, this number 3 also I have done 3 factors here also. Maybe terms are different, if numbers are, coefficients are different, variables are different, but you have to look in that manner only. If you see the first 2, 3x minus 2y, 3x plus 2y, if you consider this as a and this as b, it is a minus b into a plus b, again in the form of this. So a square minus b square, a square minus b square. The third factor you can write in square form. 9x square you can write 3x whole square, 4y square you can write 2y whole square. Okay, the product of these 2 by identity, we can write a square minus b square here. This also we can convert into square form, 3x whole square plus 2y whole square. Okay, again if you follow, if you assume this the whole, the whole as a and this whole as b, so what do you have? You have a minus b into a plus b. a minus b into a plus b. Again you can write this in a square minus b square form. So this whole is a, that is 3x whole square is a square minus b is 2y whole square, so 2y whole square b minus b square, so a square minus b square. Okay, have to be very careful in these things. Once you miss one square, then everything will be wrong. Okay, so it is again in the form of a square minus b square. Now what can you do is, first you calculate this powers, 2 to 4, 2 to 4. So 3x to the power 4 minus 2y to the power 4. Okay, now you calculate. 3 to the power 4 means you have to multiply 3 into how many times? 4 times. 3 into 3 into 3. Do not do 3 4 12. Okay, that will be wrong. So you have to multiply 3 4 times. You know that very well. So 3 3 9 9 3 27 27 3 81. So 3 to the power 4 is 81, x to the power 4. In a similar way, you have to multiply 2 how many times? 4 times. So it is 16 to the power 4 16, y to the power 4. Okay, this is how we use the identity and find the product of 3 or 4 factors given in the question. Okay, now though both are, I have used the same identity, but terms are different, factors are different. So these things you will get different factors you will get. You just have to remember the identities very well and have to build this ability how to use this identity to solve the problem. That ability you have to build, okay, by your practice and your understanding. The rest, it will automatically come. Okay, doesn't matter what kind of numbers and terms are there. Okay, so let me show you this last problem, number 15. How is this? It is different. Given here, if x minus y equal to 7 and xy equal to 9, find the value of x square plus y square. So we write what is given. We have to find the value of x square plus y square. Here I cannot put the value of x minus y and xy directly in this given expression because it is none of this form. That means our aim is to convert this into x minus y and xy form. How can we convert? As I have shown already in one of my problem like this. Here you can see in this number 12. Okay, I have shown how to convert. Here also we'll do the same. Okay, let's see. X square plus y square. Okay, if I can need to convert into x minus y form, that means I have to use x minus y whole square identity. What is x minus y whole square identity? It is x square minus 2xy plus y square. If you transpose minus 2xy, you will get x minus y whole square plus 2xy. The other side is x square plus y square. So now you have x square plus y square. Here also x square plus y square. That means this x square plus y square you can write x minus y whole square plus 2xy. And if you write this, you will have the value of x minus y and xy. Okay, so this kind of things you have to remember, this kind of technique. Okay, so this x square plus y square, by this, using this identity, I can write x minus y whole square plus 2xy, where x minus y is 7 I put and xy is 9 I put. 2 into 9 18, 7 square is 49, 49 plus 18 67. Okay, so this, the first line is the can say a challenging one, where you need to remember the technique and the identity. The rest is the calculation, okay, that you can do very easily. And the alternative method of number 15 also I have given. You see, if you find any doubt, you can write your doubts in the comment section below. Okay, so thank you.